So this is my scope before any of the electronics are in it or anything. Just only the fan is plugged in to the battery pack there. All 3 fans going strong. Letting this beast cool down, man. It's going to be cold outside, and this is a big mirror. I got a little time to come out early tonight. So, spider vanes taped up with the R-Sky brand. You know, secondary mirror here. Wrapped around the snug. And yeah, so none of my electronics are plugged in yet. About to bust out the Dynamo Pro and the Thousand Oaks and the you know, warmers and everything. Computer. It's gonna be a good night, hopefully. And here's the scope with all the electronics plugged in and everything. Still got my fan going on. Probably turn that off later, but yeah, it's a mess, isn't it? All these cords. Had my planetary camera in here. I had it with hooked up to my laptop. Yeah, whenever I got into this, I guess I didn't realize that, like, you actually have a laptop out here, you know, and it's connected to your camera. It's connected to your scope, you know. I guess I didn't realize that, you know. Kind of a obvious oversight, I guess, but not a big deal. But yeah, and then you just, so I got one eyepiece warmer warming up here. I have my obviously I still have yet to start my alignment because it's still daytime. I got my secondary mirror heater here, plugged in right there. Nice little, right by the light shroud there. A lot of times I'll stick my hand on this to see if it's toasting up, and it certainly is, that's good. And yep, this looks right up here. Very nice. So down here, this is just for my Duke control. Again, that's my secondary mirror cord going up there. And I was slewing the scope around, and it slews fine with all this. And this is just for my one eyepiece that I may or may not need tonight. But yeah, that's it. Just kind of tried to bundle these up and get some cord management going. But yeah, this is it. Slew's fine. Anyway, it's a lot more technical and messy and complicated once you get all the electronics in. I'm going to take this camera out and start my alignment here. Pretty much had plenty of time to cool off, so that's good. It's a big mirror, 16 inches. Crystal clean. All right, clear skies.